Hello ladies, welcome to our hypoallergenic makeup tutorial. In today's video, I would like to show you how to create perfect winged liner like this one. Stay with me. I will start by using hypoallergenic waterproof matte eyeshadow with an angled brush. I will use the eyeshadow to mark the shape of the liner. The line should follow the curve of the bottom lash line. Now we can draw the first line directed towards the eyebrow. After changing the position of the brush, I will draw a second line connecting it to the lash line. I will continue by using small strokes, applying small amount of product. Now it's time to use hypoallergenic Tint eyeliner pen and apply it to the area between the liner and the lashes. This way I can create a precise and sharp line. The liquid tint is very long-lasting, perfect for those of you who want their makeup to last. Do you still worry about the liner being uneven? Use hypoallergenic liquid eye concealer. I use it wherever I feel like the line is too bold, perfecting it as I go. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time. Bye!